Hiya crafters, Amy here with amyswares, and today I'm going to show a super quick idea for a new baby card. Now this is a fabulous new stencil from the July release at a Colorful Life Designs. I have this Hello Baby stamp from scrapbook.com. Here's a photo of the finished card. I used a couple of the stamps, single layer, nice and flat, easy to ship, and this is the baby's hand stencil. So I'm going to make just a very light rainbow. I think I'm actually just using residual ink on these Altenew blending brushes because I don't want it to be very dark. I feel like by using all the colors it can work for any baby. So I'm kind of just working from the edges, being careful not to lift up the stencil because I didn't use any sort of pixie spray. But I'm working through some colors here. I do end up using a corner chomper to round the edges and some bling. All of this you can get in the shop and use my coupon AMYFAN10 at checkout to save on your complete order. But I did do some very simple stamping with, I believe, a blue color. I think I would do it darker if I were to remake the card, just so it's a little bit more clear. It might be hard to read on the video, but you can read it in person. But I stamped one sentiment on the front, one on the inside. It says, "Today is just the beginning of many years full of love, joy, and wonder." I think that is so cute. And on the inside, it says, "Warmest wishes for you and your new little bundle." So I used this gorgeous new moonshine bling from the shop and my corner chomper, and that's going to finish the card. So be sure to check out the rest of the July release. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please hit the thumbs up, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.